Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to adjust line spacing in Google Docs. Friends, if you want to increase the space between the lines in Google Docs document, then you simply need to select the text. Now after selecting the text, you need to click on the format. Now here under line and paragraph spacing, you will find the option to increase the line space. Like you can increase it to 1.5. It will increase the line space, or you can increase it to double also. It will double the space between the lines. So friends, like this you can play around and adjust it as per your requirement. So friends, like this you can very easily adjust line spacing in Google Docs. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.